What if I told you there's a tool that lets you generate stunning images and ultra-realistic videos completely free and with zero limits? These scenes you're seeing right now are 100% AI generated. No watermark, no paid tools involved. And yes, it turns simple text or even still images into fully animated videos right in your browser. If you love discovering powerful free AI tools that can boost your productivity and creativity, make sure to subscribe. I share easy tutorials just like this one to help you get the most out of AI without spending a dime. Now, let me show you how to use this tool step by step. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click the first link from Google. If a pop-up appears, close it. Sign in with your Google account and agree to the terms to proceed. This is the Google AI Studio interface. When you click on Chat, it works just like Chat GPT, but with more power. You can fetch real-time data from the web, generate speech from text, interact with audio and video, and even create images using Gemini 2.0 Flash. To begin, click on Generate Media. We'll focus on generating images and videos for free, and yes, it's unlimited. First, let's create images. Click on the Image Generation tab. In the prompt box, I'll type, "A puppy running in a compound." Set the aspect ratio, choose the number of images, and select Imagen Quattro Preview. Hit Run. After a few seconds, the image is ready. Allow access so your creations can be saved directly to your Google Drive. Look at the detail, the lighting, the sense of movement. It looks like it was captured by a real camera. Now the best part, generating videos. Click on the More Video tab. In the prompt box, I'll type the same prompt I used earlier. A puppy running in the compound. We are now using VO2 to generate this video. Set your aspect ratio. You can create videos up to 8 seconds long. Click Generate. The video is ready. Just look at this. Natural camera movement, realistic lighting, and smooth motion. It's hard to believe this was made with AI and for free. Let's try another one. The prompt is a beautiful lady in a red dress walking like a fashion model. Hit Generate and wait. Look at the flow of the dress, the confident walk, the lighting. It looks like a fashion show on film. And it's fully AI generated. Now, let's go cinematic with a storytelling style prompt. I will paste this detailed prompt of a girl reading a book. Hit Generate. Watch closely. The light, the motion of the pages, the expressions, it feels like a short scene from a movie. It's so real, it's hard to believe it's all AI. There's also a powerful feature. You can animate an existing image into a video. I'll upload this image of warriors on horses sprinting in a desert and use this motion prompt. Hit Generate. Look at this. The dust rising, the horses galloping, the camera panning, zero morphing glitches. It nails the cinematic energy better than many paid tools. From still images to realistic video animations, this free tool does it all. Google AI Studio with VO2 is a total game changer for content creators. Subscribe for more free AI tools. Drop a comment on what you'll create first, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.